It may be soon easier to have an alcoholic drink at certain civic facilities. A draft policy has been created following a pilot project allowing alcohol in the stands of the CN Centre. Now the city wants to hear what the public thinks about it.
Having alcohol in the stands at CN Centre has been piloted for a year. Its findings were put into a report for Council's consideration this week. Those conducting the pilot program were both surprised and not by the findings.
We had done quite a lot of research, and research had said that the number of incidents probably won't change at all with allowing alcohol service to be spread throughout the arena. I guess we're a little bit surprised in that the incidents were zero for the entire hockey season. Obviously, you kind of expect the odd incident here and there, but we were very pleasantly surprised that we had absolutely zero.
Now the draft alcohol policy is being released for public consumption through consultation. While Councillor Garth Frizzell was opposed to the idea from the start, he is pleased with the outcome of the pilot program.
What we've seen with the results were better than I'd expected. So what I want to see, though, is feedback now from the public. Now that we've tried it out for a year, what does the public want? Are there still the concerns now that it's been piloted? I think those concerns are still there.
However, the lack of alcohol-related incidents during the course of the test run hasn't swayed him into supporting the idea.
Not yet, and that's why I was so pleased to hear that we're going to have more input available. We're going to be able to talk, because I'm not an expert on alcohol, I'm not an expert on epidemiology or impacts of health. Now we've got the opportunity to talk to people who are.
The draft policy incorporates a much larger footprint than CN Centre, where the test run was conducted.
Rather than just focusing on the CN Centre, we're including alcohol service throughout the city. First step was to take that to council and make sure they were okay with the initial draft report, and now our next step is to take it for some public consultation, and we've already been doing quite a lot of consulting, but this is to allow the general public and our customers to share their views. We'll then present a final report to City Council for their consideration.
Andy Beasley says the online survey will be available in the next week or two. The hope is to have the input by the end of November and a final set of recommendations to Council before the end of the year. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.